get into housing prices. Oh boy. Here's what I know. After lending almost 30 years in the residential real estate market, first of all, nobody knows. What we know is we can track appreciation year over year. So in 2024, the appreciation level, which is the price paid versus current market value, that increased roughly a little bit over 5%. So it's about mid-fives. That means if you paid $300,000 for a house in January and you were looking at your current market value, your house might be $315,000. That's an easy way to kind of think about how appreciation works or what people mean when they say that. Now, there's a lot of conversation about market declines. And I want to share with you that that is a reality. And I know I'm a mortgage person. I see all the comments and I see everybody like, oh, you're a mortgage person. You're never going to tell people the truth. Well, here's the truth. Nobody really knows what's going to happen in the neighborhood you want to buy in or the neighborhood you own a house in, because market value, again, goes back to supply and demand, which goes back to neighborhood. So when we all listen to the news, the median price range is increasing, is decreasing. It's not, it doesn't really mean much because it's national. If you're looking to buy in a particular city in that state, you want to know the specifics for that city and drill it down to that neighborhood. What's trending in that neighborhood? Is that neighborhood appreciating? Are you seeing declines in the neighborhood? If it was a primarily entry-level neighborhood and maybe it was a newly built home community and maybe the buyer pool of that home community did minimum down payment and maybe, you know, we've had some job losses in an area. I mean, these things happen. Big companies go into these cities, big companies leave these cities, etc. So if that's the case, maybe in that particular neighborhood, the market value is steady or declining a tad. But in other areas, I will tell you, we still have competition in certain areas across the country. And so it's a difficult kind of one sentence response of what's going to happen to home prices.